I see a lot of people are struggling to cleanse their crystals, or they don't maybe know what the difference between cleansing and charging or recharging your crystals. So I'm going to make it more simple for you, and here is it. So I've got two crystals here by me, labradorite and lepidolite. So as the crystals, how you then cleanse them. There's multiple ways of actually cleansing crystals, from sound, smoke, ground, which is earth, water. But bracelets, they are just not part of being cleansed in the water. And also sound. Nazi izinto endiziphetheyo just to show you how you get to cleanse your crystals. One, nansi. So lento actually cleanses crystals. This one. So the crystals zingena pha emhlabathini or in the ground. I don't know by ground, but the ground in yale flower. That's actually gonna cleanse your crystal. But let's go through the difference between cleansing and recharging. So when you're cleansing, crystal gets to you or to your space, and you're welcoming the crystal to your space. So you will talk to your crystal and say something like this: I welcome this labradorite to my space to work for me, and ask it to work with me. And then while you are doing that, you take your labradorite and put it emhlabathini, just put it down there, down. So this process can take overnight, and put it there overnight, and then in the morning you just rinse it off, and it is cleansed crystal yako. This process, you can also use it to recharge your crystal, which is the ground. Meaning then it goes back where it comes from, your tatamandla. So it goes back and takes the energy and recharges the energy from emhlabathini using the same method. So yona, I'm actually now recharging my crystal. Okay, and you tell it what it has done, and also talking to it. You thank it for the work so far. So you are now recharging and renewing the crystal energy. We fuck emhlabathini, and you wait maybe overnight, and in the morning rinse it off. Now this is another way of cleansing the crystal yako. Ubeka le here with sound. So you round. Uthetha nayo crystal yako uba uyicleansela for ntoni na, because the crystal, believe me, it's listening, because it is made up of all the elements that are made on this earth. So you are cleansing that crystal yako get sound. You can also recharge it after use with the sound. But what is important is what you say to your crystal, and how you talk to it with intention, of course. So we can safely say that recharging your crystal is the last process when you have used the crystal yako, to let it gain more energy and release energy or that negative energy that it was retaining, ikwazi release, and give it sound, give it smoke, or give it to the ground. Then the process of cleansing then is the one of welcoming the crystal. But you can also do the cleansing the crystal when you've done a lot more work the crystal. You don't have to put it every time on the ground. Let's say you are a crystal healer okanye usebenza nge-crystals, usebenza ngabantu. So every after usebenzise i-crystal, then yabo wenza la ting wakho around the crystal, and then give the intention of uthethe nayo And that's how, my friend, you speak to your crystals and cleanse your crystals. Make sure that they're working for you. Then the last portion would be the sun, because like I said, there's a lot more ways. It would be the sun, but xa uyifaka elangeni is at least 2 to 4 hours, because you are running away from it fades out. Like this type of crystal, it does phase over time if you put it so much in sunlight. But 2 to 4 hours is definitely fine. Maybe once a month, and use other methods as well. Okay, cheers, bye.